Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So you guys, this episode starts off with Ubaba Vuma. He is sitting in his kitchen. This is when Uvelepi brings a tray of breakfast to come and serve him in the morning. So when Uvelepi comes into the kitchen and she puts the tray on the table, Ubaba Vuma's like, siyabonga ntombi. And then he pauses a little bit and he's like, uke wadla nje usibongile. Uvelepi then says, cha lutho baba, abadlanga lutho nje. So as they're speaking like that, then kune-knock emnyango, there's a knock on the door. Then Uvelepi's like, yebo, ungangena. And then the person opens kanti uKwenzo. And then uKwenzo is like, Velepi. Then Uvelepi's like, oh, Kwenzo, ungangena, sihleli ngalana. Then uKwenzo comes in and then he sees Ubaba Vuma. He's like, sawubona baba. Then Ubaba Vuma's like, yeah, I'm fine. Uvelepi's like, baba, yimina ucele uKwenzo ukuthi afike la ekhaya. Ubaba Vuma's like, oh. And then he looks at uKwenzo. He's like, uyazi ukuthi kungani ulana Kwenzo? uKwenzo's like, yebo baba. Uvuma goes on to say ukuthi hey phela lana sikhathazekile ngosibongile, akafuni ukuphuma ekamereni lakhe, akafuni ukudla nje, hey we are worried about her. Uvelepi then says ukuthi sonke sikhathazekile ngempela. So then uKwenzo then just leaves them like that, and then he goes over to uSibongile's room and then he knocks on the door. He knocks on the door, so angazi ukuthi if the door is not locked or what, but he just opens the door and then he gets into the room. So when he gets into the room, ufita Usibongile, she's in her PJs, you guys. She's sitting on the floor, and uKwenzo joins her. He sits on the floor as well. Then Usibongile is like, Kwenzo, ngishawa amahloni. Ingathi ingqondo yami angazi, ingathi lwisana nomzimba wami, and I'm caught in the middle. Then uKwenzo says, kulungile Sibongile ukuzizwa ngaleyo ndlela ozizwa ngayo. Usibongile is like, kodwa Kwenzo. uKwenzo is like, shh. Sibongile ungakhulumi kakhulu. Sibongile usudlule esimeni nje esithusayo kakhulu. Umqondo wakho uwodwa nje udinga isikhathi to process everything that you have been through. And then uSibongile is like, uqingisile Kwenzo. uKwenzo then says, yeah, so ngiyacela nje don't be too hard on yourself. Sikhona thina Sibongile, siyakuthanda futhi sohlala sikweseke ngaso sonke isikhathi. Bengicela nje ukuthi ungithembise ukuthi yonke lento uzoyithatha one step at a time, okay? And then uSibongile avumeke, and then uKwenzo kisses her on her cheek. I mean, this is a big step for the fact that uSibongile is speaking in a calm manner. I mean, it's a big step because she's been screaming at everyone else or not talking at all. But I mean, this is uKwenzo, the love of her life. So I'm guessing she feels safe opening up to him. Then next scene there we see Uvelepi kwambalenhle. She is serving tables laphayana. Uvelepi is back at work. Then uSamke is like, manje? Uvelepi is like, manje ini? uSamke is like, lokho ngikubhekile nje uyasmile nje kwenzakalani? Uvelepi is like, phela umuntu uzobuyela emsebenzini manje. As soon as the Mkazini reopens, I'll be back at work. uSamke is like, ingane zabantu. And then Uvelepi goes on to say ukuthi ngijabule kabi nje. Sengithemba ukuthi kule relaunch abazoyenza ukuthi ngeke babe bekhuluma izipitch ezingapheli izipitch eziningi. Mina nje into engifuna uyazi ukuthi umholo wami uzoba yimalini kuphela nje. uSamke is like, uyabona ke manje kuyaphela nje ukulova nokukhekheleza kuyaphela, uyosebenza impela ke manje. Uvelepi is like, yeah, uqinisile yazi. Okunye nje okungijabulisayo ukuthi sengizohola imali ebonakalayo. Kodwa-ke kungiphatha kabi ukuthi ngizokushiya wedwa lana. Then uSamke is like, hayi mina ngicabanga ukuthi mele ungene ngama-weekends, uzosebenza lana Imbalenhle ngama-weekend. Uvelepi is like, userious ngempela? uSamke is like, hawu ngempela. Uvelepi is like, hayi phela yi-bonus mina leyo. uSamke is like, yeah, you will make extra money, ngicabangela wena phela lana. Uvelepi is like, ayi uyangazi phela mina ngiyazithanda, ngiyayithanda nje imali. uSamke is like, phela kukhona nomancoba. As she's speaking like that, uNengwelosi uMakaphetheni walks in kwambalenhle, you guys. uSamke is like, hayi bo. Then Uvelepi is like, indaba. uSamke is like, amehlo ami She's looking at uNengonosi and she's smiling. She can't believe ukuthi uNengonosi is there to see her. Then uVenep is like, indaba ubani loyo? And then uSamke is like, ubewa yini lana? uNengelosi. She's busy smiling and she's like, Philippi, hamba, awumazi, hamba. Then that scene ends like that. Next scene, girl, we see uWenzo coming into Usibongile's room. It looks like he's changed up. Usibongile, yena, she still looks like she's still in her PJs. It's later in the day, but anyway. So when uWenzo comes in, he knocks on the door. Usibongile, she's busy with her designs etafuleni. She's like, oh, usuphinde wabuya futhi. Then uKwenzo's like, sawubona nawe ntombi. Khululeka njengomaskito endlebeni ngizokubangela isicefe mina. Usibongile like, kodwa Kwenzo uzokwenzani lana? Akumelanga ukuthi kube khona into omatasa ngayo. And then uKwenzo's like, yaziqinisile zikhona izinto okumele ngibe matasa ngazo. Kodwa-ke ngithe namhlanje angenze into eyodwa. Usibongile's like, yenza phela, like, do that thing omele uyenze. uKwenzo's like, yazi, I think I'm doing it, but in order ukuthi ngibe sure ukuthi yini leyo, athi ngicheck i-to-do list yami. So he takes out his phone and then he checks his phone. He's like, yeah. I-to-do list yami ithi convince Bongile to go on a trip to the beach with me. Usibongile smiled, you guys. She's like, kodwa angicabangi ukuthi kuzokwazi ukwenzeka lokho Kwenzo. uKwenzo's like, kahle Sibongile. Mina ngibona kungumqondo omuhle nje lona. Yazi Sibongile, ngizwe ukuthi lo bhuti ozobe uhamba naye e-beach kumjita o-grand, yazi. Bayasho ukuthi hayi no yena uphathana kamnandi nje. So mawuhamba naye uzoba safe ezandleni zakhe. So okwakho nje ukuthi ufake your favorite dress and then sishaye imoto and drive to Durban sidlale umculo omnandi nje. As uKwenzo's trying to convince Usibongile, there is busy talking. Uvuma's walking past the room and he can hear the conversation and all he's doing is blushing, guys. He is smiling. Kwenzo is trying so hard to get Usibongile out of the house, you guys. And then uKwenzo goes on to say ukuthi sithi mesifike beach nje sizibukele ulwandle nje nobuhlo balo and then eat ice cream ecaleni. So wena Sibongile uthini? Guys, I think this is such a sweet gesture. Remember, what made uKwenzo and Usibongile connect is the beach. So for him to take her to the beach, out of all things, I mean, uKwenzo has the money to take her to expensive restaurants. So I think it's such a sentimental, sweet gesture from him. Then Usibongile just smiled and she's like, uyangithembisa ukuthi ngeke siphume emotweni. Then uKwenzo's like, how? Khuleka, your wish is my command. Usibongile's like, kulungile ke bengicela ukuthi ungiphe umzuzwane bese ngiyeza. uKwenzo's like, khuleka sisi, ngizokunikeza umzuzwane wakho. Mina okwami ukuthi ngiye embalenhle, uyabona? Ngiyositholela nje into esizoyidla or something to eat. And then Usibogile's like, hamba Kwenzo. And then uKwenzo's like, bye and then he leaves like that. Next scene, kwaMbalenhle, uNengonosi and uSamke are sitting there on the table having a conversation. So uNengonosi's like, yo, yazi yangiphatha kabi lento yokuthi ungitshela ukuthi abazukulu bami sokukhona ngisho intombazane. uSamke's like, yeah, ngalokho. Then uNengonosi like, unenhliziyo embi kangaka uphetheni? uSamke's like, yeah, khona uphetheni akenzanga into enhle ngokwenza njalo. Yazi maybe uphetheni maybe lento yakho iplane sonke lesi sikhathi. She has always planned this. Wayesazi ukuthi ukungakutsheli ngabazukulwane bakho and keeping your grandchildren away from you ukuthi kuzomnikeza yena uphetheni ichance ukuthi enze noma yini ayifunayo or noma yini efuna uyenza embi la kuwena because ngeke bazi abazukulwane bakho bakulwele. uNgelesi's like, hey, uNengonosi then says ukuthi hey, iqiniso lento oyishoyo noma ibhlungu-ke kodwa inhliziyo ende kangaka uyithathaphi umntanami. Then that scene just ends like that. As that scene ends, guys, next scene we see uKwenzo. Remember, uNengonosi is sitting with uSamke kwaMbalenhle and uKwenzo left Usibongile saying he's going kwaMbalenhle to go and get them food. So I'm interested to see what's going to happen then. So uKwenzo enters kwaMbalenhle and he's like, how's it Philips? Ukhuluma noVelep. UVelep is like, Kwenzo wafika kahle ngesikhathi esiright nje. Aqeda phuma manje ke. Speaking about amaplate wabo ukudla. uKwenzo is like, awuboni ke, baqinisile mebethi timing is everything. Then uVelep takes the plate, she's like, alubambelana, and she gives him the plate. uKwenzo's like, sharp again. Then he gives her the money. uVelep is like, athi ngithonela ushintshi wakho. uKwenzo's like, hayi khululeka, you can keep the change. uVelep is like, how? Siyabonga ke. Okunye kwenze bemfuna ukuthi ngikubonge ngokuthi ukwazile ukhipha uSibongile endlini. Athi nje ukushawa umoya nje kancane. Then uKwenzo's like, yeah, akusilutho lokho. Kodwa all right sisi ngiyabonga ke. And then as he's about to walk, uVelep says, all right, get sharp. As he's about to leave, uSamke rushes to him. Kwenzo. uKwenzo turns around, he's like, oh, Mam Samke. uSamke's like, yo, ngaze ngajabula ukuthi I caught you just before you left. Bengifuna ukuhalalisela, yazi. I'm sure ukuthi ujabulile that iMgazini factory iyavulwa. uKwenzo's like, yeah, khona ngijabulile kodwa ke okungijabulisa kakhulu ukuthi nje the weight is off my shoulders. uSamke's like, kuhle ke lokho. And she's just standing there and smiling at him, and then uKwenzo's like, yeah, ngizobona ma. Then uSamke's like, okay. And then uKwenzo's like, all right, nisale kahle. uKwenzo walks out. As uKwenzo walks out, uSamke is smiling and she rushes back to the table smiling. She says to uNengolos, uyazi ukuthi bengkhuluma nabani manje? uNengolos is like, cha ubani? uSamke's like, amfanisi nakancane nje. uNengolos is like, hayi bo, ngimazelaphi mina? uSamke's like, uKwenzo loyana. uNengolos is like, uKwenzo. uSamke's like, yes, uKwenzo Dlamini. Kwenzo phetheni. uNengolos is so shocked, and then that scene ends like that. Then few moments later they continue that scene. uNengolos is like, yazi angikholwa lento eyenzeka kimi. Then uSamke's like, manje why ungajabulile because mina bengicabanga ukuthi this would make you happy. uNengolos is like, nijabuliswa yini? Ngihluleka nje ukufanisa umzukulwane wami. Mele ngijabule. uSamke's like, bengaqondile ukuthi ngikubeke kanjalo kodwa bengicabanga ukuthi uzokujabulisa ukumbona uKwenzo. uNengolos is like, ngikugogo njani kodwa mina? Then uSamke's like, ungugogo owabe nebhadi nje ngokuthi ingane yakho yakufihlela abazukulwane bakho nje, nothing bad about you. uNengolos is like, yazi ngicabanga ukuthi uphetheni unelungelo lokuthi angiphathe ngalendlela angiphatha ngayo. uSamke's like, cha, like nje akekho umuntu ongazi ukuthi umzali unokukhuluma kabuhlungu kwengane zakhe nophetheni uzele. Uyakwazi lokho, so stop beating up yourself for that. uNengolos is like, yazi uzama ukungiduduza Samke. Angiyena nje lo muntu ocabanga ukuthi ngiyena. Then uSamke's like, angizami ukukududuza. Uwenzile amaphutha wakho, wakhuluma ngendlela wakhuluma ngayo nophetheni, kodwa if nayo uphetheni unenhliziyo elungile exolelayo, yabo? Ingane njani vele ngaxolela umzali wayo uma wayo? Then that scene just ends like that. Guys, it looks like there's more to this story. I do think uNengolos, she is really not the person that uSamke thinks she is. I do think she did do uPhetheni wrong, but listen, we are going to find out in a couple of weeks or sooner than later. Then the last scene, guys, we see uBaba uVuma usekitchini. He is counting istoko sakhe, impuphu yakhe, doing stock taking. This is when uSibongile walks into the kitchen. She is wearing a dress. Yambona ukuthi ukamile ekhanda. You can see ukuthi she took a bath, man. uVuma's like, oh, hey, Mambambo. Waze wamuhle mntanami. As he's saying that, uKwenzo arrives at the door, and then uVuma, he hears the knock. He's like, oh, hayi ngena mfana. And then he can see ukuthi uKwenzo noSibongile are smiling. uVuma then says, oh, kwamnandi ukubona umntanami esmile nje. Yazi mfana, he looks at uKwenzo, he's like, yazi mfanami, ngiyazi ukuthi mhlampe bengiqinise isandla futhi kakhulu kuwena. Manje-ke kodwa ngiyabona ukuthi ubakhona kwakho means a lot empilweni kamntanami. Then they just smile, both uSibongile and uKwenzo just smile. Then uSibongile is like, sokubona-ke baba. Then they walk out and then uVuma's like, oh hi ke, nihambeni kahle, bye bye. Then that scene ends. Guys, I think it's safe to say ukuthi uVuma has given his approval to uKwenzo and uSibongile's relationship. I mean, uVuma himself, he could not even take uSibongile out to the room or get her to eat or do anything. But uKwenzo, through persistence, he was able to do that. So uVuma finally sees the importance of uKwenzo in uSibongile's life, and maybe he's finally seeing what uKwenzo is not such a bad influence, guys, in uSibongile's life. That is actually the right amount of fun or of I don't know of motivation that uSibongile needs in her life. And let's hope from here ukuthi uSibongile, guys, it's going to be smooth sailing because le ngane okuthiwa uSibongile hayi amabhadi ayamlandela amabhadi after amabhadi, just when she thinks things are going fine, something else happens. But anyway, guys, let's park it right there. That's the recap of the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. You tell me your thoughts on it. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.